Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. And today I'd like to take you out in the lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power folding side mirrors with signals, roof rails, running boards, privacy glass, and much more. Classy and refined, the 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL class rises above the competition with its confidence on the road manners and excellent build quality. This Mercedes-Benz has 19-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and tire pressuring monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mercedes-Benz is in great condition. It has automatic twilight sensor headlamps with programmable locator lighting, along with LED daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, and a really nice chrome accented grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 8-cylinder 4.6 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is all-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26.4 gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget this Mercedes-Benz only has 52,625 miles on it. At the back of this Mercedes-Benz, you can see the high-mounted light, rear wiper, and large brake lights, along with a tow package, chrome dual-tipped exhaust, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power tailgate for access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features 2 power outlets, a cargo light for packing and unpacking at night. This Mercedes-Benz even has a very comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. In the second row, you notice the Mercedes-Benz has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold down armrest with cup holders and power outlet, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is also well appointed with nice burl walnut wood trim. The driver will be very comfortable with a power adjustable heated leather seating with memory. You also have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Mercedes-Benz is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and auto adjusting seat belts in the front row. Here are the easy to reach controls for the side mirrors, headlights, parking, brakes, driver's seat features, along with the power lift tailgate, the power door locks, and the power windows with express up and down. This Mercedes-Benz has a very comfortable power tilting and telescoping leather wrapped steering wheel with shift paddles and on-wheel controls for the cruise control, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature that everybody can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power dual moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with 6-disc CD changer and DVD changer. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect your devices using the auxiliary ports. You also have a dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines and makes backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at 888-272-5869 or visit us again at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.